Hello everyone, this is Heather Montoya. I'm doing a video on this product called EAS, this sports drink stuff. That's just the bottle, don't be alarmed. I don't like doing videos that much, but I'm doing videos anyways. And this is basically what I got in my package. If you can't see that. Right here, this box. And basically it came in with the bottle, some coupons for drinks and bars, and some booklets. Also, it came with 4 package of vanilla flavor protein powder mix stuff, which is really good. It's right here. I really like it. It's not too bad, actually. Anyways, keep this short. So, I basically make the stuff up with water, throw the package in, shake it up, put it in the freezer or refrigerator, and then I'll go work out at the gym, which is Planet Fitness, and just basically come home and drink that. Anyways, you can comment on this video if you want to. And this is for buzzagent.com. I hope I said that right. And that's all. Thank you.